Student, the basic and the main idea about atom, elements, compounds, the behavior of atoms, the characteristics of atom, the nature of atom, okay, are given by the Dalton. Therefore, the Dalton atomic theory is known as the basic of the chemistry, the fundamental knowledge of the chemistry. That is, the chemistry actually started from this theory. The main postulates of Dalton atomic theory, which were given in 1808, are as all matter, okay, it is element or compound, are made up of very teeny particles. Okay, say if it is element, then called atoms. If it is compound, then called molecule. Okay, so here we can simply say what? Elements are called atom, because atom is the fundamental particle of element, while the molecule is the fundamental particle of compound, which participates in chemical reaction. That is, in a chemical reaction, atoms participate. Okay, atoms are indivisible particles which can not be created nor destroyed in chemical reaction. That is, the property of atom always remains unchanged. It cannot be created nor destroyed. Student, this gives idea about law of conservation of conservation. Are you getting? Third one is, atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical property. Say, suppose we are taking atom of gold, then all the atoms of gold will have the same property, yellow and glitter. Okay, and its mass is always remains constant. If we take the example of iron, so even we prepare billions of atoms of that element iron, but property of each and every atom will be same. That means their color, okay, their shape, their mass will always remain what? Constant. It is same. Third one, atoms of given element are identical in mass and chemical property. Fourth one, atoms of different element. Now, different element means one of the element gold and one of the element iron. So what about their nature, behavior or property? Obviously, their properties, nature, behavior will be differ. Okay? But because each and every elements atom have identical and specific property which is differ as compared to the properties of atoms of other elements. Fifth one, atoms combine in the ratio of small whole number to form compound. Okay, like example H2O. Okay, so two atoms of H, okay, and one atom of oxygen. This is called small whole number. Getting? That is, there is no fraction number, but there is what? Whole number and small whole number. Like if you say CO2, so the carbon is what? 1 and O is what? 2 in number. 2 in number. Next one, the relative number and kinds of atoms are constant. The relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. This laid the idea of what? Law of constant proportion. Constant proportion. That is what? Suppose we are taking water and we obtain water from any of the source. Each and every time there will be only hydrogen and only oxygen. Their ratio by number will be 2 by 1, but their ratio by the mass will be 1 by 8, isn't it? Because the kind and number of atoms are same, therefore their mass will also same. So the Dalton's atomic theory proves many of the things. It explains the law of chemical combinations like law of conservation and law of constant proportion. Student, although there are some drawbacks of this law, okay, however, we have to study there because they laid the foundation of the chemistry. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, many are here, many exceptions. We will discuss this exception in higher classes. Okay.